Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. Today's topic is on de-icing, anti-icing, or how I call it as dancing procedures. But before we begin, I will appreciate if you read the disclaimer thoroughly. Dancing acronym simply means D for de-icing first and anti-icing second. The notes on the next page shall make it simple for you to understand it better. And the color of the sequence is OG, that is orange type 1, followed by green color type 4. And now I'm going to leave you with a video clip of New York's JFK airport as an example, showing how this procedure is carried out at a spot or designated holding point given by ATC.
अभी पूरा इधर से आइस भी गिरेगी ये विंडो से दिखेगी गिरती हुई देख शुरू हो गया लिक्विड गिरना ऑन द राइट
ऑरेंज जूस अभी ऑरेंज जूस है फिर ग्रीन जूस भी आएगा गुआवा जूस भी आएगा बाद में
कीवी
कीवी जूस इज ऑन द वॉकी टॉकी
The black stripes on top of the wings is for reference to keep the main gear inside the taxiway in case the aircraft lands at a place covered with snow and the tires are not visible. For detailed information, you can log on to the link provided above. That's the link for walk around on 777. That's my other video. The FAA and Transport Canada publishes their hot tables, that is hold over timetable, each year that can be easily downloaded from the internet. For this year winter schedule, both FAA and Transport Canada published it on the 6th of August 2024. We usually refer to the FAA hot tables, and as an example I have pasted both here, as you can see. And as you may have noticed that the aluminum, that's the American English word, as the chart is published by the FAA, they are not saying aluminium but aluminum. So aluminum made aircraft like Boeing 777 will get a better protection of 45 minutes time than that of a composite material made aircraft like Boeing 787 with 35 minutes as marked green. And in this table we consider the lowest time for the given conditions as a conservative value, catering if the weather deteriorates from that given condition. And the red is no go, as the protection won't be available there due severe weather. And this one is of aluminum, as you can see at the top. And there's the next chart coming up for composite material also. This is the one. And with this table we tell the intensity of snowfall. I hope you liked the video and the information. Like, share and subscribe.